How to hide your chats on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video we will simply learn how we can hide chats on the WhatsApp app. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, you simply want to make sure you have updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. If you haven't updated, you can head over to your app store. In the search box, type in WhatsApp, go ahead and simply either download or update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. Once you've updated WhatsApp, I'm going to simply open it. Now let's say that you want to have a particular chat from over here. Let's say that you're making a tutorial video. In this case, let's say for example, while you're making a video, you don't want the audience to see that you're chatting with that particular person, but you don't want to delete all of the messages. Well, in that case, you can simply hide it with one particular solution. So let's say that I want to hide the very first chat right over here. What I will do is I will simply long press and then hold on it over here. As we hold on it, you'll be able to see a bunch of these options. What we are going to do is we're going to archive this chat, and in order to archive this chat, what we are going to do is at the very top you'll be able to see multiple icons. You have to simply tap on this down arrow icon which you see, which is the archive icon. What you need to do is simply tap on this icon. As soon as you do that, you can see that chat has been hidden and it has been moved to our archive section. If you want to continue it, you could simply long press and hide other chats as well by tapping on it and then simply tapping on the archive button at the top, and you can see that chat will be hid as well. In order to unhide those chats, the chat hasn't been deleted, you can simply tap on the archive button which you see. As you tap on archive, you'll be able to see those two chats, and you can simply tap on it. You can continue chatting with those people if you want, but if you want to unhide them again, we will simply long press and then hold on these two chats, and again we will tap on the upper arrow icon this time. Previously it was down arrow, now it's upper arrow icon which you see right over here, and they'll be added back to your home screen. This was a simple tutorial on how you can hide chats on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.